Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to this week's Cranbourne East Primary School weekly online assembly. Great to see you all out there. Well, my first message this week is to thank all of the students who have completed buckets and tongs duty around the school this week. I have been absolutely overwhelmed with students visiting my office to show me the buckets of rubbish they've collected. I want to say, yes, what a wonderful thing to do. Big thank you. Wonderful in that you have assisted in keeping our school looking great. Now, I know that it's unfortunate because we do get a lot of wins in the school, and with those wins get blown in many, many papers. So, big thank you, everyone. And thank you to the students who do put the rubbish in the bin. My next message is once again a reminder about wearing hats, the school-approved hats, not only on the way to school, during recess, during lunch, and any time that you're outside during the day. And it is also important that you wear hats at the end of the day when you're on the way home. Last week I mentioned the importance of being at school every single day. Unless, of course, you're ill or you've got an appointment, or sometimes things come up at home. But it's important to be at school every single day and to be on time to commence your learning. And I've written down a couple of things I want to share with you. Well, first of all, you get to learn new things and enjoy a great day, just like I do. You get to take part in Digitech, library, science, performing arts, visual arts, and many, many other fun things at school. You get to be with your friends and you get to make new friends. You will achieve success with your learning. You will be with your teacher and everyone else who helps you at school. And the great thing is I get to see you every day. Now, I also thought about if you take a day off, say you're not at school, you stay home, maybe it's your birthday or you just feel like staying home. Well, if you stay home one day every fortnight, I worked it out, that would be 20 days that you miss of school in 1 year. And that is a lot of lost learning that we can never, ever make up. Now, when I say it is important to be at school, ready to commence your learning on time, the same goes to lining up at the end of the breaks outside your learning space. Lost minutes mean, again, lost learning. And again, I worked it out that, say, for example, you're late 10 minutes every day, that is 50 minutes every week, almost an hour of lost learning time. And when I worked out, well, what does that look like over the year? That means that you've missed 1.5 weeks of important learning time. So remember, children, we want you here at school every single day, unless you're ill, we have an appointment, and we want you to be on time for your learning. And just a reminder to parents, if your child's not at school, please let us know through Compass or even a phone call to the school. Moving on, now I've been having a look at all the fun activities, all the great things we're going to be doing between now and the end of term. I'm looking forward to the athletics carnivals. I know the teachers have been putting a lot of work, a lot of energy into organising those events. We certainly look forward to inviting parents along, not only to assist on the days, but also to be in the grandstands to support our children. We've got cross country, we've got Harmony Day, and there's one word I'm going to leave you with. I'm not going to say anything. I'm going to leave you with the word disco. And finally, children, before I sign off today, a reminder that please read every night, even on weekends. Take time to find something you enjoy reading and just spend 5 or 10 minutes or even a bit longer reading at home. You could even think about reading to somebody at home, read to your dog or cat even. But please make sure that you read every day. All right, thanks everyone. Take care, and I look forward to seeing you around the school. Bye now.
Hello there everyone. Well, it's our favourite time of the week, time to have a little giggle, so here we go. What does a cloud wear under its raincoat? 10 seconds thinking time, see if you can work it out. Alright, your time is up. What does a cloud wear under its raincoat? Thunderwear. I hope you liked that one, and I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful week. Make sure you stay cool, drink lots of water in this really hot weather that we're having, and have a wonderful weekend. I will see you all again next week.
Rain trickles rapidly. You can hear roaches screaming. Ayaha. But then, crack. Samantha had stepped on the screaming roach. Come and join us in Banana Monkey. Once there was a monkey named Banana. Once he ate a banana and he died. He ate mango and he came back alive. Now his name is Mango Bingo. Monster. You can run but, yeah, you can't hide. The robot. This is the story about a historic hero that saved the land and people of Equestria. The bad boys came with their weapons and their clothes. Then the hero supper man came and chopped them up and ate them with tomato sauce. The end.
Hi everyone, hope you've had a fabulous week. Something exciting happening next week. It's our whole school cross country. It's going to be on Thursday, the 2nd of March. Years 3 and 4, you're up first. Your cross country event will be from 9 till 10 a.m. Year 5 and 6, your time is from 10 o'clock until 11. Year 2, Year 1 and preps, you are straight after recess. We are going to have our races on the oval, so we're going to be outside. Can you please be sun smart? Could you wear a hat? Could you place some sunscreen on before you come to school? And please bring your drink bottle with you. We also need you to wear appropriate clothing. That's really good shoes to run in because we'll be out on the oval. You can also wear your house colours. If you've got a white, navy, light blue or an orange t-shirt, please feel free to wear that on the day to support your house. We're looking forward to the event. Just try your best. That's all we ask, and we're going to have a super day. We'll see you out there on the oval cross country.